Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets: red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, and the last one is black color. Kids, first we are using black color pen, and now we draw the alphabet of A. Subscribe to our channel. The alphabet of A. The next one is B. The next one is C. Now we are draw the alphabet of D, and the next one is E. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. G for God. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw H. And the next one is I for ice. J for jackfruit. K for kite. The next one is L for lion, L for lemon. And the next one is M for moon. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O for octopus. Now we are using black color and draw P. The alphabet of Q. Q for queen. Kids, now we draw R. R for rose, R for rice, and the next one is S. The next one is T. Now we draw U. The next one is V. The alphabet of W. X. Y. And the last one is Z. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.